Today, we're sharing profitable trade secret weapons, two amazing TradingView indicators. We'll show you how they work in a backtesting session. To get started, head over to the Indicators tab on TradingView and type in Momentum Bias Index. Now that you find the momentum bias indicator, hold your horses before applying it to your chart. We've got some insider tips to optimize the settings and make the most out of this awesome indicator. Default settings are fine, but why settle for fine when you can make it fantastic? Click on the gear icon next to the indicator name on your chart. This will open up a world of customization options to make the indicator work best for you. Now let me put the spotlight on TradeGenius, our one-stop shop for epic trading strategies. Here, we're all about sharing easy-to-use profitable strategies without costing you a dime. If you're finding value in this video, show us some love by giving it a thumbs up and joining our trading tribe by subscribing. Okay, back to business. Now that we've got the momentum bias index set up, let's find our second indicator, the 10 and 1 different moving averages, to complete your trading toolkit. Look at the top of your TradingView screen and you'll see the indicators tab. Give it a click and you'll find the handy search bar. That's where you type 10 and 1 different moving averages to find this awesome indicator. You're doing great. So let's keep it going and fine-tune this bad boy for your scalping strategy. You've done a fantastic job setting up and optimizing your indicators. Now prepare to discover the life-changing trading rules that will transform your strategy, followed by an eye-opening backtesting session unveiling the incredible potential of this approach. First, let's talk about identifying trend direction using the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. For an uptrend, look for the RMA 50 line sitting above the SMA 200 line with price candles hovering above both MA lines. This formation signals a strong bullish trend. On the flip side, if the RMA 50 is below the SMA 200 line and the price candles are beneath both MA lines, you've got yourself a clear downtrend. Time to put your trend detection skills to work and spot those buy trade entry signals. First, keep an eye out on the momentum bias index oscillator. When you see the first white histogram bar standing above the dots, you've got yourself a potential buy signal. But hold your horses before diving in. Ensure you're trading with a trend. Check if the 10 and 1 different moving averages to confirm we're in an upward trend. If everything aligns, you're clear to open a buy position. Now let's cover your back with risk management. Set a stop loss for your trade using a recent market swing low or one of the moving average lines as a safety net. Finally, lock in those profits by setting the trade target 1.5 times greater than the distance between entry and a stop loss level. This way, you can aim for a solid returns while managing your risk. Now let's dive into sell trade rules to master both sides of the market. Keep your eyes peeled for a sell signal on the momentum bias index oscillator, which pops up as the first red histogram bar sitting below the dots. But don't jump the gun just yet. Ensure you're trading with the current trend. Check the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator to verify we're in a downtrend. So once you've confirmed both conditions, you're good to go ahead and open the sell position. To protect your trade, set a stop loss using the recent market swing high or one of the MA lines. This way you have a safety net in place in case the market decides to surprise you. Finally, secure those profits by setting a trade target 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry and a stop loss level. Alright, it's time to share some fantastic news about how does a strategy perform in our backtesting. We tested the strategy on the gold chart using a 15-minute time frame and a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. The results were mind-blowing. Out of 100 trades, we scored a sweet 69% win rate and racked in a whopping 107% total profit. Over 17 weeks of backtesting, we saw some seriously impressive streaks of 9 wins in a row with only 5 losses. That's pretty wild, right? The profit factor, which tells us how profit stacks against losses, came out to an awesome 3.39. And the max drawdown or worst loss was just 4.9%. And if you're curious for more trading secrets, don't miss out the game-changing strategy in our next video waiting for you just a click away. Unleash your trading potential and discover the hidden gems that will take your skills to new heights. Happy trading!